back to another tutorial. If you have any cool idea how you can make the metaverse better, then you can create it with the builder tool in Decentraland. And I show you today how you can use this builder tool. You can create your own scenes there, and then you can publish your scene on your own land. And if you don't have any land, then you can rent the land from another person. Let's go. Back in Decentraland with this stylish character. Now we go to the builder, and let me show you here at first at the marketplace. We can build a lot of different stuff here, a lot of different assets here. Here we get everything here. The newest items you can see. Then here the rankings from the sellers, latest listings, parcels and estates. And some events. Good. Then we go here to the builder. And here we have some pre-defined templates. Here we can create one from scratch, and also we can choose one here from the scene pool. Just have a look. There's so many different predefined scenes here in the pool. You can choose one and you can edit how you want. Okay, just to show you, let's try one. Okay, that looks good. It's like a modern designer house. The asset is loading, and here you can see this is the pre-setting scene. Now here you can jump in, you can have a look, it's a preview, you can move around, you can check it out. Here's the upstairs. Okay, let's get out. I think we start our own scene directly from scratch. Let's go back here and we create one. Let's add a new. And we name it test number 2. Okay. Here the size you can choose, but we can use this. It's okay just to try. Here you can choose all the assets, like a little bit of water. Here you can move around, you can scale it along every axis, x-axis here, y and z. You can make it bigger. Okay, and then here we can add some plants. Just adding a rock and another one. Very close here, you can place them wherever you want on your scene. And a plant. I know you can do it much better, you will make it much nicer, your first scene, but this is only for demonstrating. Plant in the water, much better outside, and much bigger. It grows up very quick. Okay, that looks nice. And here, what we can do more? It's just a platform, something like that. I know you can do it much better. Just need a little bit of time to play around. And what needs every pirate scene? A ship. And let's take this one. It's super easy, really, this builder. Just have to play around with it. And you can create amazing scenes with that. And then here, other assets like collectibles, for example, you can also use, but you have to connect your wallet at first. And then here you can add your wallet, MetaMask for example, or the Coinbase wallet. And then if you're ready you can publish it, and you can publish the scene on your own land if you get one, or you can publish it on the scene from another person here if you have rented a space, for example. Everything's super easy, just play around with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!